Crypto guys, in this video taking a look at JasmyCoin. How high can JasmyCoin go to by the end of the next bull run? JasmyCoin holders have been through a lot through the bear market. We have seen JasmyCoin lose more than 98% of its value in the last 404 days. But guys, we've also seen JasmyCoin pump when the market was pumping. We saw JasmyCoin return more than a 3,600% pump in just 126 days. So we know JasmyCoin can pump to the moon, but right now the general crypto market is in a bear market. So JasmyCoin is down more than 94% in the last 1 year. But how high will it get to by the end of the next bull run? We'll also be looking at JasmyCoin's performance against Bitcoin, JasmyCoin's performance against Ethereum, and guys, something important has happened to the JasmyCoin's market cap. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, deep in the crypto bear market of 2022, all coins have had a terrible year, including JasmyCoin. JasmyCoin is currently down 94.9% in the last 1 year. But this is not peculiar to JasmyCoin alone. A lot of altcoins in the market are down really bad. For example, Solana is down 91%, ICP is down 83%, Sand is down 88%. Guys, even the king of the market, Bitcoin, is down over 60% in the last 1 year. But after the bear market comes the bull market. So how high do we think JasmyCoin is going to go by the end of the next bull run? We've seen JasmyCoin pump 37x in just 126 days, and this happened in 2021. So guys, we know that JasmyCoin can pump to the moon, but the only downside is that when the market is dumping, JasmyCoins dump really well, because from the $0.33 level where JasmyCoin was trading in November 2021, we have seen this altcoin lose more than 98% of its value, dumping down to gobbling town. So how high do you think JasmyCoin will get to by the end of the next bull run? Key levels you're paying attention to as we see JasmyCoin trying to recover all the losses we made in 2022, trying to even pump to new all-time highs. One important level I'll pay close attention to will be the $0.0087 level. Yes, we might see JasmyCoin pumping to new all-time highs from this level, but guys, if JasmyCoin doesn't start breaking above the $0.0087 region, our hopes for getting to new all-time highs might not be actualized. JasmyCoin needs to clear this important resistance level. If you take a look at what JasmyCoin has been doing in the past, that level was holding as support in July 2021 before started pumping to higher prices. Even in 2022, from May, JasmyCoin was holding that $0.0087 level. We finally broke below that level in September 2022, and that's why it is a very critical level. The next level to pay close attention to for JasmyCoin, as we'll be pumping to higher prices in the future, will be around the $0.039 level. We saw JasmyCoin rejected at these levels in March 2022, and before JasmyCoin got rejected at that level, we already seen JasmyCoin pump up more than 300%. So this altcoin can actually pump when the market is bullish, but the flip side is that if the market gets very, very bearish, JasmyCoin can keep dumping to gobbling town. JasmyCoin looks as if it has bottomed in the bear market of 2022 around the $0.0034 level. For JasmyCoin to get to the $0.039 level, we will have to see this altcoin go from where we're trading right now. It has to pump around the 10x. Guys, even JasmyCoin pumps a 10x doesn't mean we're out of the bear market. We can still be in the bear market, and JasmyCoin can give us that 10x pump. We saw JasmyCoin give us a 30x pump in just 127 days. So I'll not be shocked to see JasmyCoin hurry back to that $0.039 level. And after the $0.039 level, another key level to pay close attention to for JasmyCoin will be the $0.082 level. We have seen JasmyCoin have some reactions to this level. First, in July 2021, we also saw some reactions in October 2021. And the last time we saw JasmyCoin trading at that level was in December 2021. And if you had sold your JasmyCoin at December 2021, guys, you would have avoided this 95% drop in price. But if you're going to be holding JasmyCoin for the long term, till the next bull run, right now in the bear market, you want to be accumulating more so that when we see that pump to the upside, you will be happy you did. And for JasmyCoin to get to that $0.082 level from where we're currently trading right now, JasmyCoin we have to go up around 2,000%. A $1,000 investment in JasmyCoin should return over $21,000 if Jasmy Coin is going to trade around the $0.082 level. And after that level, I will expect Jasmy Coin to start heading for the high we set in 2021 as around the $0.31 level. Guys, for Jasmy Coin to get to that level from where we're currently trading right now, Jasmy Coin will have to go up over 8,000%. A $1,000 investment in Jasmy Coin right now should return over $84,000 if we see it getting back to that $0.31 level, which is very, very possible by the end of the next bull run. You don't underestimate altcoins. We've seen altcoins go up 100x, 200x, even some altcoins go up as high as 300x when the bull run comes around. So if Jasmy Coin is able to defeat the $0.31 level, I would not be even shocked to see Jasmy Coin going for higher prices. Yes, maybe even Jasmy Coin might get to as high as $1 by the end of the next bull run. Some people might be wondering how will Jasmy Coin get there? Guys, for Jasmy Coin to get there, it just has to go up more than 26,000%. It means $1,000 invested in Jasmy Coin should return over $262,000. You don't want to rule out the possibility of that happening. The millionaires that are going to be made by the end of the next bull run, right now in the bear market of 2022, is where they're accumulating their favorite altcoins, getting ready for the next bull run. Let's take a look at some details about Jasmy Coin. In the last 1 year, it has gone from as high as $0.11 to as low as $0.0033, with a market cap of $171 million, a fully diluted market cap of $185 million. We have over 46 billion Jasmy tokens in circulation. Currently, Jasmy Coin is ranked 131 on CoinMarketCap, and over 101,000 people have Jasmy Coin on their watch list. Jasmy is a cryptocurrency project of Tokyo-based Internet of Things provider Jasmy Corporation. As a system, the Internet of Things include mechanical and digital elements endowed with an identifier and ability to transmit data. Where can you get some Jasmy Coin if you want to get some in the bear market, getting ready for the next bull run? You can get it on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. And if you take a look at Jasmy Coin performance against Bitcoin and against Ethereum, yes, that's been dumping to gobbling town, but by the end of the next bull run, when we see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin, I'll not be shocked to see Jasmy Coin probably pump really well against Bitcoin, but setting new all-time highs, that will be very, very far-fetched. For Jasmy Coin to just go back to where it was in mid-2021 against Bitcoin, it will have to go up over 20,000%. I believe Jasmy Coin will pump by the end of the next bull run, but it pumping 20,000% against Bitcoin, guys, very, very unlikely. But that $1 region is still a very strong possibility. Same thing for Jasmy Coin against Ethereum. Yes, we can pump to higher prices by the end of the next bull run, but for it to go back to where it was in mid-2021 against Ethereum, Jasmy Coin will have to go up over 25,000%. And take a look at Jasmy Coin's market cap. Huge changes have been made to the market cap. We saw Jasmy Coin's market cap go from as low as the $18 million level straight to as high as $171 million. Even though we didn't see the price of Jasmy Coin increasing, what happened is that more Jasmy Coin tokens were coming into circulation, and we've hit this resistance level at the $173 to $228 million level. Jasmy Coin has a heavy resistance at that level. We saw Jasmy Coin trading at that region in March 2022. Right now, maybe just maybe the bottom is in for Jasmy Coin. We saw Jasmy Coin's market cap get to that $16 million region. Can we pump to higher prices? There's always a possibility. How high will Jasmy Coin's market cap get to by the end of the next bull run? Guys, I will not be shocked to see Jasmy Coin's market cap breaking to new all-time highs by the next bull run, probably taking out this $1.5 billion region where we got to in November 2021. If you use the Fibonacci retracement tool, there's a very strong possibility Jasmy Coin's market cap can get to as high as $6.7 billion by the end of the next bull run. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Are you buying some Jasmy Coin right now in the bear market? How high do you believe Jasmy Coin will go to by the end of the next bull run? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.